Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine and top of your spirit. I wish you all the best of the time whichever you are watching this video. And now to proceed forward, actually we have finished with, I think we had finished with exercise 5.2 and now we have to head to exercise 5.3. See, exercise 5.3 definitely has got a new terminology for waiting for you all people. See, when it comes to sequence, we have understood that when it is an arithmetic progression, at that time the common difference d is constant, and that's why it is an arithmetic progression. Basically, each term is adding by a constant number to get the next term. That is an arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, first term is called as a, common difference is d. All the terms, they are labeled as a1, a2 and so on. Similarly, we will have an, because basically an is the nth term. Also we have n is the number of term. Okay, this we have understood by now. And we have known the first formula for arithmetic progression. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for the nth term. Whichever term you are going to handle with, that formula for that term is this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is basically a general term. See my dear students, when it comes to like this, I take 3, 6, 9 and so on. See, when I talk about one term, then I am talking about a. 3 is equal to 9. But when I actually am talking about S3, S means sum of 3 terms. That means I am talking about a1 plus a2 plus a3. That means I am going to do 3 plus 6 plus 9. That is going to be 18. This is what is called as S3. So when you are taking sum of first 3 terms, you are talking about S3. When you are taking sum of first 5 terms, you are talking about S5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these terms when I add, then it is S5. So similarly, when I talk about adding first 20 terms, then I am talking about S20. You have to basically understand the difference between A20 and S20. A20 is the term sitting in the 20th place. That one term which is sitting in the 20th place, that is A20. Okay, 60 will be it. A20 will be the term sitting in the 20th place. For that n is equal to 20. But S20 will be what? S20 will be addition of all these terms from 3 to 60. That will be S20. Sum of all the terms from first term till the 20th term, that is called as S20. Similarly, now we know this is the formula for general term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Similarly, we have a formula for general sum of n terms will be equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for general sum. Sn is equal to n upon 2, means whichever term you are talking about. So if supposing here I calculated as 3 is equal to 18, in this same if I have gone for that, here we know that a is equal to 3, d is also equal to 3 because 6 minus 3d, and now if supposing Sn is equal to n upon 2, remember this is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for general sum. S3 will be equal to 3 upon 2. What is a? 3. 3 terms, so 3 minus 1 into d also is 3. This becomes 3 upon 2. 2 into 3, 6 again. This is S3. See, we got it like that itself. S3. Actually, when we deal with formula for general sum, there are actually two formulas. Sn can be found by the formula of n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and it can also be found by the formula of Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus L. No, there is no 2a plus L, there is no 2a over here. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a plus L, where a is the first term and L is the last term. A plus L, sorry, n upon 2 into a plus L. So likewise, if supposing we did this 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on, if we use the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, if supposing n upon 2 into a plus L. But remember here, we should know the last term. So we are going to find this. We know the first term is 3 and the last term is 9. Then and only then we can use this. Sn is equal to S3 is equal to 3 upon 2. A is 3. Last term is 9. This becomes when we know the first term and the last term and we have to find Sn, then it is quite good that we use this formula. There are two formulas. I repeat, Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula, or you can also use the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket only a plus L, where L is the nth term. This way, whatever you are going to use, last term or the nth term. Okay, with this I think we are ready to solve the formula, the exercise. Okay, so this is exercise 5.3 that we are dealing with. So I hope you all have got your textbooks. So going to exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Find the sum of the following arithmetic progressions. This is the first one. The progression is 2, 7, 12. This is up to 10 terms. Remember, this is up to 10 terms. Means n is equal to 10. Here 10th term is not given. Up to 10 terms. That means I have to find S10. Sum of the following arithmetic up to 10 terms. So here D is equal to T2 minus T1. Therefore we have A is equal to 2, D is equal to 5, N is equal to 10. We have to find S10. This will be 9D. Two A is what? 4. A is 2. D is 5. So what do we get? $245. This will be the value of S10. Okay, the first sum of, we will tell sum of first 10 terms. Okay, likewise we can go for the second sub question. It is to 12 terms. So here again we can see D is equal to what? Higher term, minus 33, minus 37 will give you plus 37. That will give you 4. So D is equal to 4. Of course this is going on increasing. We have minus 37 and n is equal to 12. S12 is equal to, again the same thing. Twelve minus 1, 11D. The value of A is minus 37, 11, value of D is 4. Seventy, 44, 54, 64, 74, that will give minus 30. S12 is equal to minus 180. Again the sum of first, you can write the statement of sum of the first 12 terms equal to minus 180. Okay, so now we can go to the third question. We can try solving the third question. It is going in the same fashion: 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. So we have to find S100 here. 1.1 is going to be your D. 0.6, S100 we have to find. N is equal to 100. D is equal to okay, this will get S. .2 will be the answer of this. Hmm. 1089, but the decimal is 1. Okay, see, when you multiply like this, first ignore the decimal, directly multiply 99 into 11. 9 plus 9, 18. And now what, how many decimal places are over here? 1 decimal place. So I will give 1 decimal place over here, that is 108.9. This I will have to add. While adding, you should remember that decimal should be written under decimal, something like that. Again the same thing. One decimal place. This should be your answer. S100 is equal to 5505. Therefore, this I will have to multiply 12 5 60, 212 plus 6, 18, 180 This will give me 3. 1 upon 60 should be the answer of this. Okay. Yes, right. So D is equal to so again the same thing. N is 11 minus 1, 10. D is 1 upon, this 0 zeros are gone, 2 upon 15 plus 12 plus 15, 27, 19. This is something very different and ridiculous. 9 3s are 9 10s are 33 upon 20. Therefore, upon 20 is the sum of the first 11 terms. First 11 terms. Okay, my dear students. So I hope you all are getting this. I'm worried now. So now as we go forward for the second question, find the sums given below. Okay, find the sums given below. Here again the same thing, but now what is happening? Find the sums given below. Here what is happening? 7 plus 10 integer 1 upon 2 plus 14. This going on, and then plus 84. Now see, we have got the first term and we have got the last term, but only problem is that this last term, see, when we use this formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a plus l, the problem is that a and l we should know, and also n should we know. We should know which term is this, and we don't know 84 is which term. So here a n is equal to 84, a is equal to 7, d is equal to what? 2 tens are 21 upon 2 minus 7, 21 minus 14, 14, 7 upon 2. This will be d. Okay, so now we have to find n first. For an is equal to 84, we don't know n. D is 84. This will give you 77, and then into 2 upon 7, because the 7 upon 2 shifts over here. Now we have come to know that 84 is 23rd term. Now you can use Sn is equal to n upon 2 S 23 will be equal to A is 7, and that is 84. '84, '85, '86, '87, '88, '89, '90, '91. So now again what do we get? upon 2. So you can write it in that form. This will be 1046 into 1 upon 2. You can write it in this form, or you can write it in this form. Anything will do. Okay, that is the second question is also over. Now we can proceed for the third question. No, second question we are solving. Here again we can see d is equal to minus 2. Now an is equal to 10 we know, but we don't know the n, and therefore we don't know Sn. So first we'll have to find n. We know an is equal to 10. We don't know this. A is equal to 34. D is equal to minus 2. This we get 10 minus 34 is equal to minus 24. This minus 2 shifts over here, you will get n minus 1. Now you have got n is equal to 30. Now you can use the formula. We will find as 13. A is 34. L is 10. Okay. This is 286. So in this way we have gone through the second question also. They are all going in the same form, so nothing to bother about. Third question. Minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus this goes on plus minus 230. Again the same thing. T2 minus 21. T2 is minus 8 minus plus 5 will be minus. So D is equal to minus 3. A is equal to minus 5. D is equal to minus 3. We don't know n, but we know an is equal to minus 230. N we don't know, and therefore Sn also we don't know. Okay, so an we have taken as minus, D is equal to this will subtract 230, minus 5 will give you 225, but then the negative sign will continue here. Minus 3 comes and divides over here. 7 the 5 the minus plus. So we have got n is equal to 76. So now 76. A is minus 5 and the last term is this is the value of the third answer. The sum of something has gone wrong over here. N is equal to 76 is right. What is this? Oh, this is wrong, my dear students, because here minus 5 minus 230 is different. S minus 5 minus 230 will be minus 235. I multiplied them, which is wrong. So here we will get 235 into 38. 8 to the 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 8 to the 16, 17, 18. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8930. This is right. Okay, my dear students, with this we have finished with 3 questions, or question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 3, in an arithmetic progression given a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3, an is equal to 50, find n and sn. This is same question actually speaking. These are the same questions. So you can give it a try, give it for homework for you all people. You can give it a try over here for these questions, question number 3. Try this, and if you are able to solve it, then it is good. This lecture, this from henceforth, it is going to take a lot of time. It's not going to be that fast. Of course, these all things are very easy, but we can't really haste. Okay, my dear students. So, take care, study well. I stop over here, my dear students. Thank you very much. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Most importantly, stay happy, my dear students. Bye.